guys, welcome to Teen Tested, the show where we review anything and everything for our generation.
I'm Alexa.
And I'm Kendallyn. So today we just got a package from Amazon, and I love Amazon. I don't know why. It just has everything. But we just got this cotton candy machine. She saw it online, and we were like, oh, this would be fun to review.
But before we get started, we do have some keywords. If we like the product, we will say
Shawowza.
But if we don't, we will hit our gong. Let's get started. It comes in this really big box.
I know. I'm like, ooh, why is it so big? Okay. Okay. So it says that it has 5 flavor pack party. It says that it comes in pink vanilla, grape, blue raspberry, cherry, orange, and then it comes with little cones to put the cotton candy in. So let's open this. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I don't know if you can see that, but this is what it looks like. Now, this is the cotton candy cones. I feel like this is like if you wanted to actually start a professional business.
And then here are all the flavors.
Yeah, there's a lot of flavors. So this is the, so hard.
I think are we gonna do this? I think we're going with the blue raspberry.
Yeah, there's pink vanilla, and then there's blue raspberry. Why is this one so hard? This one's like not hard, and then this one's like hard as a rock. Okay, and now there's cherry, grape, and orange. You don't need to see them. Who likes cherry, grape, and orange?
Okay, so
let's take this out. So this is from the brand Carnus. Carnus? I don't know. It's an electric cotton candy maker. So it's easy and compact, powerful, long-lasting electric motor, and then it spins flavored floss sugar. Obviously, because that's how you make cotton candy. And then this is the back of it. I love the packaging. Like, it's so like pleasing to the eye.
yeah.
And then so it's like they put like fluffy treats at home, so they can like, it like gives you like different things. So it tells you like that has a 1-year warranty, kid friendly, which is great that it has a 1-year warranty, because knowing us, we'd probably break it in 2 days. Yeah, so let's open this. First off the bat, when we open
I thought those were rocks. I was like, why are there rocks?
Okay, first when we open
It comes with more cones.
yeah, there's more cones, and then there is the directions.
We need that.
This is like really good packaging. I'm like impressed. Like some like big businesses, they're like packaging and just trash. They just slash it into the thing.
This has a page for everything that you need. So there's like a whole page for cleaning. There's a page for how to operate it, and then how to put the parts together. Interesting.
Okay, you pull from the side, I'll pull from the side. Oh, I'm holding on to the thing. Okay, so I'm guessing this is where you put the floss sugar.
This is so cute.
I'm guessing, yes, this is where you put the floss sugar in. So
we gotta like build it ourselves.
Okay. Oh, what the heck? Okay, so this is like the ring, so that no cotton candy be spilling out.
Okay, we need the directions for this.
We need the directions. I think that's the right directions to like make it.
Here it goes.
And then this is directions how to make the cotton candy. Yeah. Don't you agree? Like, this is like so good.
Oh, and it's a plug-in, so you obviously need a plug for it to operate.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. So we don't need a plug in yet. Oop, the plug's really small.
No, I paused it. And the plug is so small. How are we gonna do this?
Oh. Okay. Wait. What? Oh wait, is this the?
I'm confused.
This is the bowl. Okay,
this is the base because it has suction cones.
Okay, so first we do this, then we do that little. Okay, do you have that? The floss?
What?
Yeah, it's this thing.
Yeah. Okay, so then it's the bowl. This is the bowl.
No, first we need this floss head.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, and then we need the bowl. Bowl. And then we need the shield. Oh. Yes.
Yeah, that way.
Alright, and then this is how you set it up. Yeah.
And we need two.
Professional.
Here, we should probably put it more over
Yeah.
here.
How are we gonna plug this in? Okay. Okay. I love how we're just standing up. Okay. So let's just use this cone because I feel like it.
Yes. Okay. So we have our little
Scoopity-doopity.
Yeah.
So this is the spoon. The wonderful, wonderful spoon. So I'll get out 2 for us.
I'm really excited.
I love this packaging. Look, this is probably like the most impressed I have been in
This
the
is so
package.
cute.
I know. Ah, this is so cute. Okay. Before operating, always remember to review the instruction manual. We already did that. Turn on the machine on and allow to warm up for 2 to 3 minutes. So, yes. Turn the machine on.
It's on, y'all.
I feel like bougie with this, like. Okay, so allow it to like warm up.
Oh wait.
We have to allow it to warm up, so don't do it yet. Now look at it.
It smells really good.
God.
Smell it.
Whew.
Ooh, that
I'm
smells
scared that
good.
this is gonna fall. Here it is.
Okay.
It's like heated. I think it like heats it. Just watch. It like comes into my eye. Okay. So now we have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes.
And then after it's on for 2 to 3 minutes, we got to turn the machine off and allow time for the floss head to stop spinning. What?
Yeah, because then we can put the scoop of sugar in. So then when we're putting the scoop of sugar in, it's not just flying everywhere. It's not flying everywhere. Okay, and then 1 scoop of sugar floss. Turn the machine back on and allow the 30 to 45 seconds of the cotton candy to begin collecting inside the floss bowl.
And then it'll start getting into spider web, and then that's when we start putting it on our
Woo! It smells like heated plastic.
stick. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Wait.
We just like twist it.
Yeah. Okay.
I think. Yeah.
So
I think because like I've watched Instagram videos and they're like,
how long do you guys think it's been going for?
it should have a little combo. So how's been your day?
Good.
How's been your day? Okay, I can't hear you, but hope it was good. Okay, well, you said yours was good. Mine was terrific since I'm here with you. You know, I love you.
I mean, that ain't perfect. Wait, do you think we do this whole thing?
Yeah, it says 1 scoop. 1 scoop. No.
Don't knock this over.
1 scoop. And she's like, are we doing the whole thing? No, we don't.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can we hug it out?
No.
Toxic. Okay, how's it looking?
Wait, do you think this is only for 1 person?
I think so, yeah. Okay, to make jumbo serving, add sugar to the floss head and continue to build your fluffy treat. Always remember to turn the sugar. Yeah, you would just put in more if you need it.
Okay, so do you think we do it while it's on? No,
No,
we don't. Because
we turn it off and then put the thing
So for
in,
each
and then-
person, we got to turn it off and wait 45
Yeah.
seconds.
Because, you know.
Okay.
No, we just have to turn it off and then we have to wait for this head to stop spinning.
Yeah, and then
Include the sugar of sugar. I mean, the cup of sugar. Did I just say sugar of sugar?
Wait, so when this is in, then we turn it back on, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I think it's been 2 minutes.
Okay, then turn it off.
Hopefully it has been.
Wait, is there a button on that side?
Yeah, it's right here.
No.
It's right here. Okay, wait for the flash to stop spinning. Okay. I love this. Okay. Alright, it stopped spinning. Put it in there.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, you can't do nothing right.
It's perfect.
Put it in! It says
I will chill out. Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah. Okay, now we just
Done.
now we turn the machine back on and allow 30 to 45 seconds for the cotton candy.
Okay, then we
Are
start.
you ready? Let's count 30 to 40 seconds.
One,
two,
two,
three,
four.
four.
Wait, do you want to get it or do you want me to
Six.
get it?
I'll get it. No, do you want to get it?
I don't care.
Do you want to get it?
You tell me.
Well,
I'll go after you.
yeah. 1, 2,
It's been
three,
longer.
4,
20, 21,
5,
22,
6, 7, 8,
24,
9,
5, 26,
10,
27,
11,
28, 29,
13,
30,
14.
31, 32,
Are we doing something wrong over here?
34. They said up to 30 to 45 seconds. I don't see a web forming.
Okay.
Wait, no. Bro, there's no web.
Shut up.
Wait.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, I can smell it though. It smells really good.
Okay, when cotton candy web begins to form, hold a paper cone horizontally to collect the cotton candy. Oh, so you would hold it over here.
Yeah. Oh wait, now I can see a little thing start. Yeah, now it's starting. Okay, but I think you need to leave it alone for a second.
Ah, that's so cool! Wow!
Oh, it started! Hey, y'all, it started! Okay, go! Go!
Am I doing this right?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm doing this right though. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Ah! 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 It's going! Ah! It's going so fast! Oh my gosh. Why is it going so fast? Is it just horizontally? Oh, why is it going so fast? I don't know. I don't know.
I wonder if after you need to clean it, you probably have to wait a while to clean it because it's gonna be really hot. It's forming like a line of like the cotton candy on the side.
Ah, this looks cool. I'm just
There's
gonna...
still more.
I know, I'm just... God,
Hurry
Alexa.
up.
I'm trying!
No.
Ah, it's getting stuck! What the heck? It's all getting stuck on the thing. Like, she said horizontally. She's just like this. I think we did it wrong.
No. We made cotton candy. We didn't do it wrong.
Okay, I think we need one more scoop for me. Just look at this. Look at this compared to this. I don't know. Taste it. Does it taste good?
You taste it. It's yours.
Here, hold up.
It's
Okay. So this is my cotton candy.
okay.
Okay, this was a fun experience. Very fun. Now there's little webs of cotton candy shooting up.
Let's turn it on.
Oh!
It's fine.
I don't know if it tastes like blue raspberry, you know? It just tastes bland. But it's like really crystally. Here, I'll show you. It's like crystally. Do you see that? It's like weird. Oh, I think I was just doing it wrong.
It's really fun to make.
It's fun. It's just a stressful job. Yes! You're supposed to catch on. That's good. What the
Okay, so
heck?
you're supposed to catch on and then do it, like, so
Yeah.
you're not like getting it stuck.
What the heck?
Oops, I was doing it for a second. Ah!
It takes all your cotton candy.
Yeah, so you all gotta be careful. It's dangerous down there.
takes your cotton candy.
Uh-oh.
Then just take a little bit. Just don't. No, Alexa.
I know, but it's not taking other
I know.
cotton candy.
I know.
I want that cotton candy.
No, just kind of like take. Okay, yeah, go up and now shoot your web.
I feel like a spider. Yeah.
Honestly, it's like actually low-key fun to watch.
There we go. Now we know what to do.
We're probably gonna do this when the cameras aren't shooting.
Okay, so you're supposed to catch it, and then, yeah.
That's what I was doing.
That's probably why I kept getting stuck.
Yeah, I was like, how am I supposed to
It's
do
not
this?
supposed to be down there.
I was like, how am I supposed to do this?
And that's why she was going horizontal. We were confused why she was doing it all the way up
I know.
here.
Oh my gosh, this isn't fair! This isn't fair! Mine looked like a deflated balloon. Oh, I'm gonna try again. When the cameras are off, I'm trying again.
Okay, now it's getting a little too big.
Huh?
Okay, I think we're done. It's like keep going on and on.
Cut that out.
What?
Oh, nothing. Listen.
What? Okay, it's like keep going on. So what do I
It
do?
looks like a cloud. Just put your finger. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Do we turn it off or like there's still a web though?
So you would do it like
Yeah,
that?
when you bite into it, it does turn into like crystals. I like it though.
Okay, now it's time for reviewing time. That was a very crazy. Ooh.
That's really good. I like it. I like it.
Hi, bud.
Hi, bud. So you have your own?
Yeah. Okay.
Do you think you can reuse these?
Probably not. So it comes with 50 some, I think. So the review for me was probably a Shawowza. It was fun. It was fun. It was fun. It was fun. Shawowza. That's all I have to say. It was like very time consuming, but fun.
It took a long. You gotta be patient with it.
Yeah. Unlike us. So yeah, that's all we have to say.
I give it a Shawowza.
Yeah. Bye guys.